Well, this is the second trade of fifth day of 100 days of trading challenge, and the second trade I have taken in S&P 500. So let me explain the trade. See, overall the market is very bullish, and this is the all-time high, which is close of Friday, last week Friday. So what happened? Let me explain. Let me read the price action before that. Overall, this is I'm going for the 18th. Market opened here and gave us a small uh, bearishness, and it broke that high. That means 18th September's high broken, and after that it made a resistance all-time high. This is all-time high on that time. So after that it tried to break that high, but it couldn't, and it reversed from that level, and overall the on Thursday it closed at this level, which is support. So you can see this is a resistance. Now it has become support. So what happened after the on Friday? Again, market opened at this resistance, which is all-time high of the S&P 500 on Thursday, and all the way to try to break again, but did not. And after it came all the way to came down to this support. See, this is clearly support, and what happened? It gained wonderful momentum to upside, but it tried to break out, and it almost, I think, 2.5 hours it consolidated at this level. So after that, at the end of the one end, okay, at the end of the Friday closing time, it given wonderful breakout. So it closed above the breakout. This is a breakout area. It closed above the breakout, which is a bullish sign. So this is the price action of Friday and Thursday and Friday. So I took, based on that Friday price action, I took trade today. So market opened at this level, which is this is resistance becomes support. So this is the breakout. So this is a resistance become support level. So that is one confluence. Second confluence, which is trend line. This is my actual trade. I connected these two lines, so I got this wonderful trend line. So at this trend line, it reversed. On Friday, it reversed. This is a trade of Friday, reversed. So I enhanced this trend line because we did respect it on Friday. And another trend I draw here. This is I drew here. This, and by connecting this Friday slope. So at this trend line, the first trend line, it reversed. I mean, by taking this liquidity, and of course this is a support. So there are three components, which is one is this support, resistance becomes support, and this trend line, second one, and the liquidity, you can see clearly. And let me mark that liquidity. Okay, this is a liquidity. Okay, there are three components that we got here. So that's the reason I took this trade. The entry, this is the entry, and this is a stop loss, and target, this is a 2:1 target, and it was a wonderful trade. And after the target went all the time, I mean, if I would have uh, all the trade, I would have get 7, but 7:1, but it's my rules that I have to exit at 2:1. Okay, after the once it hit the 1:1, I just trail my stoppers to break even. So this is what happened on S&P 500. This is clear and very interesting trade that I have got in this Monday, and this is wonderful profitable day. And that's all for this trade. And in Nasdaq and in Dow Jones and in German 30, all three trades I have got same trade, like every trade moved the same direction, which is bullish direction. So I have got almost all the indexes I got, or which were all the trades are hit the target, but I missed all those two or three Nasdaq and Dow Jones and German 30 because of I was focusing on this trade. So well, this is explanation of a second trade. Let me explain the trades which I missed in the US 100 and US 30 and German 30 in the next video.